The Jeff Bezos story.
Jeff Bezos is the founder and CEO of Amazon, the world's largest online retailer. He is also one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of over $200 billion as of 2021. But his journey to success was not easy or straightforward. He had to overcome many challenges and failures along the way. Jeff Bezos was born in 1964 in Albuquerque, New Mexico. His mother was a teenager when she had him, and his biological father left when he was a baby. He was later adopted by his stepfather, Miguel Bezos, a Cuban immigrant who worked as an engineer. Jeff showed an early interest in science and technology, and spent hours tinkering with gadgets and inventing things in his garage. He also excelled in school, becoming the valedictorian of his high school class. And earning a scholarship to Princeton University, where he studied computer science and electrical engineering. After graduating from Princeton, Jeff worked at several Wall Street firms, including DeRee, Shaw, a hedge fund where he became the youngest vice president in its history. He was making a lot of money and had a promising career, but he felt restless and dissatisfied. He wanted to do something more creative and impactful. He was fascinated by the rapid growth of the internet and saw an opportunity to start an online business that could revolutionize the way people shop. In 1994, he quit his job and moved to Seattle with his wife, Mackenzie. He rented a house and set up his office in the garage. He decided to sell books online because they were easy to ship and had a large catalog. He named his company Amazon, after the largest river in the world, symbolizing his ambition to become the biggest online retailer. He raised money from his family and friends and hired a few employees to help him build the website. Amazon launched in 1995 and soon became popular among customers who appreciated its convenience, low prices, and wide selection. Jeff focused on customer satisfaction, innovation, and long-term vision. He reinvested all the profits back into the company, expanding into new categories such as music, movies, electronics, toys, and more. He also introduced new features such as customer reviews, recommendations, one-click ordering, and Prime membership. Amazon faced many challenges and competitors over the years. Such as Barnes & Noble, eBay, Walmart, Google, Apple, and Netflix. It also survived the dot-com crash of 2000, when many internet companies went bankrupt. Jeff persevered through the hard times and continued to experiment and diversify. He acquired other businesses such as Zappos, Whole Foods, The Washington Post, and IMDb. He also launched new ventures such as Kindle, Alexa, AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Blue Origin, his space exploration company. Today, Amazon is one of the most successful and influential companies in the world. With over 1.3 million employees and over $386 billion in revenue in 2020. Jeff Bezos is widely regarded as one of the most visionary and innovative leaders of our time. His story inspires us to pursue our passions, take risks, think big, and never give up.